So sending your project or songs and keeping them in one place is a little bit of a thing. We've had a few problems with that. Some of you will probably know how to do this. Others might struggle a little bit on finding it. So I thought I'd just put this one in. So we'll create a folder first of all. So I've created a folder here called PPP. That's our band, PPP. And we want to start a new session with PPP. So let's open up Reaper. Okay, I've opened up the template, which is your session 24 template. So I want to now start thinking about where to send this. So we want to go to project settings. So we go up to File and we go into project settings, and it will show that it's sending it to the Seagate external, which is kind of not good because it's just a great big load of nothing. And in fact, if you do it, it doesn't like it. It kind of doesn't let you do that. So we want to browse. We want to go into the browse, and then we want to look at our desktop where we've left this folder PPP, and there it is, PPP at the top of the thing. We'll hit that, and then we'll go down and we will open that. That then now puts in our PPP into there. Then we can save that as default for project settings, and then that should then put everything into that folder. So we can then arm our tracks, what we want to do. There we go, and then hit record, and that will start recording thus, and then we stop it, and that's gone into the file. So I'll just come out of that, and we don't want to save that, so let's get rid of that. So when you've got a project like this, you tend to get lots and lots and lots of tracks and all sorts of things. So let's have a look at Jimmy Hillbillies, for example. Let's open up that file. So as you can see, you've got tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of tracks and all manner of stuff. And the issue I find is that the actual project file is normally in there somewhere under whatever it's called, a project file. And to sort that is a bit awkward. So what I tend to do is I tend to use a tag. So I find all the project files, and then so here we've got a load of project files up here. They're all up here because I've added tags to them. So you basically find the project file, which is the RPP, and you find it, click on it. Let's just click on this. It's not an RPP, but you just click on it, and then we go up to tabs, and I've set something up called project file. You hit project file like that, and then you hit return, and it tags it. It tags it with a little red dot. And then if you then want to sort stuff out and find all the tags, you go to your sorting thing, and it's set to tags. If it was a name, for example, it's going to be all over the place. But if you want to then find all your tags, go to tags, and it should throw all of them up the top, the ones that have been tagged, and that's all your project files. Unfortunately, you can't take these out and put them somewhere else because they need to be in the same folder in order to find all this. Otherwise you get all this, it's lost, can't find it, blah blah blah. Anyway, that's kind of how I do it.